Perpay is marketed as a buy now, pay later platform that supposedly helps you shop and even build your credit score over time. But the real question is, does Perpay actually help build credit, or is that mostly marketing? Now, to be fair, Perpay is different from many traditional buy now, pay later services. The company has introduced credit building features that can report qualifying payment activity to credit bureaus, giving users a potential way to establish credit history. What it does well can help build credit under certain conditions. This is one of Perpay's biggest selling points. Eligible payment activity may be reported to credit bureaus, potentially helping users build credit over time. Makes large purchases more manageable. Splitting payments across multiple paychecks can make budgeting easier for some shoppers. Where the hype falls apart, it will not boost your credit score overnight. This is the biggest issue. Credit building is typically a slow process that can take months or even years. Not every user sees meaningful score increases. Results depend on your overall credit profile, payment history, existing debt, and other factors. Missing payments can hurt your finances. While credit building features are attractive, falling behind on payments can create financial stress. So, does Perpay actually build your credit score? Short answer, yes. It can help build credit for some users, but the impact is usually gradual and depends on how the account is used. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.